and its impact. Well, this topic has been a hot cake since very long. But how many of us would have literally thought about this thoroughly at least once in our life? Well, 10 out of 100 or maybe lesser than that. Well, according to us, the only reason for the global warming taking place on our earth is because of excessive use of plastic. And the only way it can affect us is by choking our kitchen pipes. But trust me, there are a lot of more ways through which it can affect us. And there are a lot of more things on this planet that is responsible for global warming. Plastics. Plastic is harmful for we humans, for stray animals, and for aquatic lives. Yes, those innocent aquatic lives. Last year, a magazine stated that in the year 2018, a baby whale engulfed almost 90 pounds of plastic. Isn't that fascinating? And by this, you can simply think that how much consumption of plastic is being done every day worldwide. And as I told you that only plastic is not the reason behind global warming taking place on our earth. There are many more reasons. And one of those reasons is depletion of the protective layer of our earth. The layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, the ozone layer. And do you know, one of the major reasons for the depletion of this layer is nowadays available at almost everyone's house. Yes, that's the refrigerators that you use. Refrigerator produces chlorofluorocarbon. That is one of the major gases that is reason for the depletion of ozone layer. Everything in this world has some kind of relation in between them. And so is the relation between atmosphere and land. As because of depletion of ozone layer, the rate of forest fire on earth is also increasing. And do you know, the Amazon forest? Yes, last year, the Amazon forest, which produces almost 20% of the world's total oxygen, was on fire. Until July 2019, 7,200 square miles of the forest was already burnt. Isn't that a huge loss for us? Yes, it is. Nowadays, we humans have become so self-centered that we just think about ourselves. We can waste a huge amount of money for the renovation of our house, but can't spend even a penny for the renovation of our earth, the earth that gave us life. Lastly, I would just like to say that ensure that in this modern and developing world, you do not forget to renovate this beautiful planet, this beautiful world with natural beauties and not by toxic substances. Thank you.